12 feet wiring harness. More than 12 feet of wiring from the switch to lights, has also been extendable. Run the harness to your desired lighting location. 2 available leads. With 2 sets of light output connectors for dual lighting fixtures less than 180 W, the connection is more stable. Illuminated switch. 3-pin on/off rocker switch with red indicator light when truing on, easy to turn on or off, long service life. Efficient protection. Power relay and inline blade fuse ACT as the first line of defense against overcurrent and short circuit. Package includes 1 by 12 feet wiring harness, 1x instructions. Fit type. Universal fit. Product features. 1. Illuminated on/off switch. 2. Power relay. 3. Blade fuse. 4. More than 12 feet of wire. 5.2 sets of power connectors to light fixtures. Note: maximum wattage 180 W, max ampere 15 A operating voltage 12 volts DC power. Please finish the installation by professionals or install the wiring harness under the guidance of professionals. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice. I used this harness to power my LED MIRCY rock lights on my truck. This is the second Nilight harness I have used on my truck. The harness is built well and comes with a relay built in. I highly recommend this product. I used one lead for passenger side rock lights and the other lead for driver side rock lights.